It is September 26th, 2022, and we here on the eastern shore of North America have just gone through Hurricane Fiona. During the night of the storm, we heard a loud whoosh on the roof and expected it to be wind. However, upon further inspection, it turned out that a tree had fallen. Now, we were fortunate. When it came down, it landed pretty softly, and there was no damage except for a dent in the gutter. So the task at hand was to take it down. We waited a couple days. It was windy the next day, and it was clear the day after that. So the trick here is to think of the tree as a heavy object, because it is, and what you're trying to do is make it lighter. You're taking weight off, as much weight as you can from various locations, but without affecting the things that are holding the tree up. So in this case, the house is holding the tree up a little bit, and those branches that are down on the deck are holding the tree up. So what we want to get to is a point where it's the house is no longer holding it up, but just the deck. And we'll cut weight off so that those branches can hold it up. So in a moment here, I will climb up and I'll start testing to see if the branches that are on the deck can actually hold the weight. So you can see me doing it here, and it lowers down, and I keep testing it. And there we go. We're disconnected from the roof. So that's the first step. The next step is to just carry on with what we have without disrupting the branches that are holding up the trunk. So keep taking weight off until there's no longer any weight and you can start to fell the trunk into a safe location. So we had some friends show up here. I'm very happy to have their help. And you can see there, we trimmed it so it wouldn't hit the deck, and we rolled it onto the ground. So there's a safe removal of the tree, and everybody was happy. You can see that the remaining work to be done here is really in just cutting up the tree. The trick is to have a chainsaw that has a long enough bar to cut through the logs you have, but really the big work is getting it off the house. We're very fortunate to have these friends who have come over to help us, and thank them very much. On this channel, I do a lot of DIY work, including woodworking and jobs around the house. If this video was helpful for you, and you'd like to see more content like this, please do like and subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you in future videos.